around for about 20 minutes just to get the feel of the boat. Beeby is doing well, the scuppers are working perfectly. I'm comfortable. So far, very impressed with the stability and tracking, which means going in a straight line off the kayak. The wind's getting up a little bit, so I think I've chosen the right time to come out. It's about 1:45, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, 7th of February, when everybody's tucked up with their hot water bottles. Yeah, it's a bit of a squall coming now. We'll head into the waves for security. Here we go. I wonder where the word squall comes from. As you probably guess, I've got no idea, so that's why I went quiet. Checking for manoeuvrability. We'll do a 180 turn, see how quickly we can do that. I think that's what's called turning on a sixpence, although of course there is no sixpence, so it's probably turning on a 10p. We're now running with the swell back towards the beach, and that's enough of that. We'll head out a little bit. I say we because I mean me and my thermos flask. That's why I mean we, but I'm not sufficiently in need as yet. But this is rather nifty, and it's safe and ready for action. And in case anybody's interested, this is where one keeps one's fishing lures, in here. It's not dry, but it's a good place to keep it, especially for launching when things do tend to get lost. So that's that. Front hatch is very spacious. That's enough of the selling. Now for some paddling. So we've been paddling offshore just for 25 minutes, and a quick review would be this is a beautifully stable craft. But if you don't want a multi-purpose kayak, in other words to fish and for stability where you can sit sideways, dip your feet in without falling out, this is ideal as an all-rounder. But if you want something for use in a bit of surf and a bit more speed, then I would look elsewhere. my other kayak, which is a Galaxy Angler Pro. Forget the Angler because it is definitely a faster boat. Not as stable, but quicker through the water and easier to manoeuvre. This is about 5 kilos heavier, and you can tell that paddling. But I think if you're going to be fishing and concentrating on all sorts of things, like filming for instance, then I think this should be ideal. It's a bit heavy to drag down the beach, but life's like that. Just looking back to my launch point. And that'll do for part 2.